Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cool Ideas channel, where we bring you the most innovative and captivating concepts from around the world. Today, I have a thrilling topic that will rev up your excitement and ignite your sense of adventure. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a wild ride as we delve into the fascinating world of the 2004 Honda Rune motorcycle. Now, Honda is a brand known for its reliability, practicality, and sensible engineering, but every once in a while, even the most grounded companies unleash their inner rebel and create something truly extraordinary. Enter the Honda Rune, a motorcycle that oozes style, uniqueness, and a hint of madness. Crafted from the Valkyria as its foundation, the Rune flaunted a radical design and boasted numerous custom chrome elements that turned heads wherever it went. Just imagine cruising down the street on this rolling sculpture, with its mesmerizing burgundy paint shimmering in the sunlight. But let me tell you a little secret, the Rune wasn't just a flashy facade. It wasn't just a pretty face with no substance. No, my friends, this bike had more than just good looks. Honda engineers managed to strike a perfect balance, creating a machine that was not only a work of art, but also remarkably practical and enjoyable to ride. You see, the Rune was a concept bike brought to life, but it retained the DNA of its Honda lineage. With approximately 6,000 miles on this particular example, it's clear that this beauty hasn't spent its life gathering dust in a collector's garage. It has been ridden, cherished, and loved, which only adds to its allure. Now, let's talk numbers, shall we? Brace yourselves for a jaw-dropping fact. Honda reportedly lost a mind-boggling $225 million during the development of the NRX-180 Rune. Yes, you heard that right. This stunning creation came at a staggering cost. But Honda, ever the risk-taker, decided to produce a limited number of these masterpieces. Back in 2004, when this bike first hit the market, it carried a price tag of $25,000. Yes, a mere fraction of the development cost. Now, before you rush to grab your wallets, let me clarify that this particular 2004 Rune is up for auction on Bring a Trailer, and the bidding war is currently underway. But with a machine like this, it's worth every penny to own a piece of motorcycle history. What makes the Rune even more remarkable is its readability. Honda ensured that this beast was as tractable and easy to ride as any of their other products. The torque-rich power band delivers a punch that can pull you away from a stop even in top gear. The clutch is light, and the unique trailing front suspension allows for a surprisingly small turning circle. Plus, the low seat height guarantees a comfortable ride, even in the midst of traffic mayhem. So, my friends, if you're tired of searching for the perfect blend of style and performance, your quest ends here. The 2004 Honda Rune motorcycle is a true marvel that combines the best of both worlds. It's a showstopper that demands attention on the streets and an exhilarating ride that will keep you grinning from ear to ear. Before I bid you farewell, I must make a humble request. If you've enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the coolest ideas and innovations, make sure to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the awe-inspiring world of the 2004 Honda Rune motorcycle. Remember, the auction for this exceptional machine runs through May 22nd. So if you're feeling the urge to make a bold statement on the road, don't miss your chance. Stay cool, stay curious, and keep embracing the extraordinary.